Good morning to all. Myself, I'm Leah Batul of grade 8. Today is World Heart Day. Heart Day informs people around the globe that cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular diseases is the world's leading cause of death in each year. This day is also to prevent and control CVD. So, today I would like to say something about heart attack. First of all, what is a heart attack? A heart attack is the death of a segment of heart muscle caused by loss of blood supply. The blood is usually cut off when an artery supplying the heart muscle is blocked by a blood clot. If some heart muscle die, a person experiences chest pain and electrical instability of heart muscle tissue. So, how can we avoid heart attack or any diseases that cause our heart? We can control our blood pressure, keep our cholesterol and triglyceride level under control, stay at a healthy weight, eat a healthy diet, get regular exercising, limit alcohol, do not smoke, and manage stress. Take this as a perfect day to quit smoking, get exercising, and start eating a healthy. Thank you.
It's me, your heart speaking. I would really like to tell you something. I want you to know that I am by your side, regardless of what task you choose to take in your stride. Whether you stand upside down, eat, swim, or play, I work hard to beat over 1 lakh times a day. I continue to work even while you rest. When you are happy, sad, or extremely stressed for all that I do, I have one request for you. Just take care of my health and check out my good health today. I wishing you a very happy World Heart Day.
Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, which includes its causes, its symptoms, and steps in CPR. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation is a life saving technique useful in many emergencies, including heart attack or near drowning, in which someone's breathing or heartbeat has stopped. CPR is an emergency procedure that combines chest compressions, often with artificial ventilation, in an effort to manually preserve intact brain function until further measures are taken. CPR alone is unlikely to restart the heart. Its main purpose is to restore partial flow of oxygenated blood to the brain and heart. CPR is a combination of rescue breathing and chest compressions. Its main causes are drug overdose, heart diseases, infection in the bloodstream, and injuries and accidents. The symptoms seen are difficulty breathing, no pulse, and state of unconsciousness. We take several steps in cardiopulmonary resuscitation, with shortly CPR. First, check the patient's responsiveness. Second, check their breathing and pulse. And third, call 101, which help us to understand that operators are trained to provide coaching over the phone and can talk to you through the steps of administering CPR until emergency medical technicians arrive. Administer chest compressions, which includes put the heel of your dominant hand at the center of the person's chest. And next, put your other hand over your dominant hand, then interlock your fingers. Start chest compressions. Open the person's mouth. Add a rescue breathing. Watch the chest fall, then do another rescue breath. Continue the 30 compressions and 2 breath cycles. And finally, recheck breathing and pulse.
Hi, I am Hurt. I would really like to tell you something. I am by your side. Whether you stand upside down, eat, sing or play, I work hard to beat over 1 lakh times a day. I have one request for you. Just take care of my health. Wishing a very happy World Health Day. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am Rifa Fatima. I am studying in 6th standard at Marcus Public School, Balusheri. Today is World Heart Day. You all know that what is the importance of this Heart Day. Yes, in this day, I came to speak a few words about Heart Day. First of all, I wish to say we need a healthy lifestyle. A healthy demands exercise. This increased blood flow during exercise help to your heart become more efficient. For that, you must do 30 minutes of exercise a day.
Eat those fruits and vegetables. Sure, heart healthy people take in the occasional burger or pizza slice, but overall, a healthy heart comes from smart eating. Drink moderately and chill out. Not enough research has been done on the link between a heart disease and stress. But stress does cause high blood pressure and bad cholesterol. So, lowering stress levels is always best for your heart.
Mohammed Najad from 6th standard. Get out of your chair, whether it's TV or 8 hours at your desk without getting up. Sitting can be literally kill you. The most healthy people watch fewer than 7 hours of the TV a week. Sleep 8 hours. Heart healthy people aim for somewhere between 7 or 8 hours in a night. Those who sleep 9 or more hours on average or under 6 are the most at risk for heart related complications.
Morning to all. My name is Aisha Nasrin. I am studying in 3rd A Marcus Public School, Balusheri. Today is World Heart Day. I am going to tell about good and bad food for heart. First, I am going to tell about good food for heart. Orange. It can increase the level of good cholesterol and decrease the level of bad cholesterol. It provides vitamin C for the body. It's helpful to control blood pressure. This is bad food for heart. Lace. It increases the calories in body and gives heart diseases for us. So avoid it to avoid diseases. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Aisha Lena of 10th standard of Marcus Public School, Balusheri. Today is 29th September, World Heart Day. In this day, I like to introduce a new term, pacemaker, with you. What is a pacemaker and how does it work? Heart's natural pacemaker is sinoatrial node, located at the top of heart's upper right chamber, the right atrium. When heart's natural pacemaker is not working properly, the heart may be too fast, too low, or irregularly. A doctor may implant a heart rhythm device like a pacemaker to restore heart's natural rhythm. Traditional pacemakers are implanted in the upper chest under the skin just below the collarbone.
Hi everyone, I'm Shuja Parveen from grade 10. Today I would like to speak a few words on the importance of Heart Day. Every year, World Heart Day is celebrated on 29th September to raise awareness around cardiovascular diseases and how they can be prevented. In the time of COVID-19, taking care of your heart is more important than even before. Cardiovascular diseases is the number one cause of death on the planet. It has many causes from smoking, diabetes, high blood pressure, and a rare and negligent condition such as Chagas diseases and cardiac amyloid diseases. In the time of COVID-19, CVD patients are faced with a double-edged threat. Not only are they more at risk of developing severe forms of the virus, but they may also be afraid to seek ongoing care for their heart. World Heart Day is the reminder for people across the world to stop and access lifestyle choices both their and family. I would like to conclude my words by saying the beat of your life goes only if you have a healthy heart. Happy World Heart Day. Don't let cardiovascular diseases ruin your life. Stay happy and healthy. Thank you.